Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a toggle deafen keyboard shortcut, or keybind as they call it in Discord, for your Discord user. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go into user settings, and then let's go to keybinds. All right, and so now we already have a keybind. I'm going to click add a keybind, and then we're going to find the toggle deafen here. And then we can go ahead and think about what we want for the keybind to be first, and then we'll go ahead and record it. So I want it to be Command D for deafen, just to make it easier on myself. All right, so it did record that there. Let's go ahead and go back and test this out. So I'm going to hop into a voice chat, and let's toggle D. There we go, or Command D, and it did go ahead and have that keyboard shortcut for us. I hope that you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.